Next time you make hard-boiled eggs, don't peel them the old-fashioned way. Try this instead. Once your eggs are boiled, typically about 12 minutes, pour out the hot water. Now, add in cold water until all the eggs are covered. Be sure to wait until the cold water cools the pot so it's not hot to the touch. Pour out the water, cover with the lid, hold the lid tightly on the pot and shake back and forth. When you uncover the pot, you'll see that the eggs will have shed much of their shells. Whatever coverings still remain are easily removed. I hope you found this way of shelling hard-boiled eggs appealing. For Teen Kids News, I'm Katie.